In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Adobe Acrobat. This is a quick and practical technique that can make reading and reviewing PDF files much easier, especially when you need to focus on small text or fine details within a document. To begin, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat and make sure it is fully visible on your screen. Once your document is open, move your mouse cursor over the area of the page that you want to zoom into. Positioning your cursor correctly is important because it helps you stay focused on the exact section you want to enlarge. Next, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While keeping that key pressed, gently scroll your mouse wheel upward. As you do this, you'll see the document start to zoom in gradually. This smooth zooming effect allows you to adjust the view at your own pace, making it easier to read text or inspect specific parts of the file without losing your place. If at any point you need to zoom back out, you can follow the same process, but scroll the mouse wheel downward instead. This will decrease the zoom level and give you a broader view of the page, which is helpful when you want to see more content at once. One of the biggest advantages of using this shortcut is the level of control it provides. Instead of clicking buttons or navigating menus, you can quickly fine-tune the zoom level with just a simple hand movement. This can save time and make your workflow feel more natural, especially when working with long or detailed documents. If you notice that the shortcut isn't working as expected, make sure the Adobe Acrobat window is active and selected on your screen. Also, check that your mouse is connected properly and functioning without any issues. In some cases, system settings or accessibility features can affect how scrolling behaves, so it may be helpful to review those if needed. Using the Control key together with your mouse wheel is one of the fastest and most efficient ways to control zoom in Adobe Acrobat, helping you navigate your documents with greater ease and precision. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.